been such a warm welcome, which I didn't expect. And Mumbai has been welcoming me with the Barish as well. This is the first time for me in Mumbai. And yes, I'm deeply grateful for the Iconic Production for giving me such a global platform. And it feels special to be here holding the international title of a global brand ambassador. It feels special. And representing India on a global platform was one of the humblest and proudest moment of my life. I see this victory not just for myself, it is for every Indian who stood by me, who supported me, who cheered for me. I dedicate this to everyone, and especially to Iconic Productions and Sari Productions for giving me such a big opportunity. Thank you.
So, what did this grand global ambassador international title mean to you?
Alright, that's a very good question, and that would take a lot of explanation because this is my first title, international title, and it doesn't I didn't get it on a single day. It takes years and years of hard work, dedication, discipline. So a decade ago, I still remember the days when I was an isolated depressed guy. I was always hiding in my room, raised by a single mother with two of my other siblings. And eventually, with the right sort of mindset and with the right sort of people around, I did overcome my depression. And thankfully, with the power of education and its right utilization, right now at a currently financially stable state where I can pursue my passion towards modeling. So, a decade later, as a suicidal survivor, I won this title competing with my co-contestants who's literally half my age. So I think I can use this title to inspire hundreds and thousands of people like me, talk them out of their depression, make them believe that anything and everything is possible with the right action. Again, winning this title is not just a personal achievement for me, it is a very big platform, powerful platform. I can use this title to amplify voices that are unheard, to create attention to the causes that matter, and to inspire action. Alright? This crown will not just sit on my head, it will act as a responsibility on my shoulders. And that is what it means to me. Global ambassador means responsibility. Thank you.
One last thing, as you know, the modeling industry is all about being tall, being height. With the height, how many rejections do you face and how do you
Exactly. Again, number of rejections. I couldn't have a count of it, and that is where I stood. That I should be a stereotype breaker in this industry. And thankfully, the modeling industry, just like the other industries, are evolving nowadays. And today, the pageantry is not just about the appearance; it is about how well you are capable to lead. How well you are able to inspire people, how well you can lead through example. That is what it is about. And this victory denotes that. Alright? It is a reminder to the world that pageantry today is not about the appearance. It is about how well focused and disciplined you are.
So, how did you manage to turn from an underdog into a title holder?
Yes, I did start as an underdog. And how I got to win this title from being an underdog is that I didn't try to outshine others. Alright, what I did is like I tried to outgrow my own fear. So that is one thing which helped me. And coming from the humblest background, from a country like India, where the male pageantry is still going, I know when I stepped onto the global platform, I know that I would have the very less exposure compared to the other contestants. Even lesser recognition. Comparatively, I would have been like 2 steps behind. But one thing I like to balance is that I try to focus on 3 values. One is to staying true to my nature, true to myself, representing the culture with pride, and leading with kindness with every step I can move forward. And that is the thing which changed, which was an ultimate game changer for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Mohammed.
How do you feel your going from
We feel very happy. Basically, our India has two steps. So, by a lot of rejections, and finally, we are here from Iconic Entertainment to promote not just the body or someone, we promote the people who are so much dedicated to their lives in the modeling industry. And we wish that stereotype breaks not just the height and the body, but also everyone gets a chance to prove themselves. Like you can see, he's the first Indian, पहला Indian बना है ग्रैंड ग्लोबल एम्बेसडर. ये 4th ईयर है मलेशिया में, बट पहली बार इंडिया जीत के आया. तो इस बात की बहुत ज्यादा खुशी है हमें कि कंटेस्टेंट वो भी तमिलनाडु से जीत के करके पूरा पेंटिंग करके.
And this is just the beginning towards the stereotype breaking. Thank you.